Hey guys, I got a 2023-2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to remove the cabin air filter. First, you're going to open up the glove box over here. We're going to take this piece out right here. Push down, pop it out. Next, you're going to push down on top. So this is the piece you want to push down so you can remove it. Your cabin air filter door is right here. Very easy to remove. Two tabs right here. You're going to push down and pop it out. Your cabin air filter is right here. Just slide it out. Be careful with it. This one is very dirty, so we'll get it replaced. I'll link one in the description that costs about 10 bucks. Yeah, that's how you do it. Just make sure when you put it back in that you're careful and you don't bend it. Otherwise, you'll have issues with the airflow. And then make sure this is down and this side out when you put it in. So hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching.